What's going on, guys? Back out here in the garage working on the CRX. So I had mentioned something that I haven't had on the car that I probably should have had on the car a long time ago. So what I have here is the PLM Traction Bar. Let me get it unboxed real quick. So yeah, the PLM Traction Bar. This is something that should have been on the car a long time ago. This is like rookie stuff, a traction bar of all things. But I finally have one, which is going to help obviously clear up a ton of room in the front here and help me mount my radiator better and actually probably mount my bigger radiator more easily. And that's the plan actually. And yes, this is like my K series head sitting here. Something might be happening with that here soon. Not sure yet. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the original, I think, torsion bar or whatever it's called, and start getting the traction bar on. Here's my front subframe. I've notched the hell out of this thing over the years to clear things in the past, but won't need that anymore. Got the factory tow hooks off, the bars, the dog, other bar. So it's time to get this thing on here to get these measured with the heim joints in them to a similar length as what it was with the stock system, and then kind of adjust from there. Alright guys, so I have the traction bar installed. Let's take a look at it real quick. The PLM actually never gave any instructions, so I was kind of assumed. So back here, it's just one bolt through that heim. And then up here, obviously one bolt and a nut through there. Then right here, you have this little extra bracket. You kind of put a bolt through here, which they didn't give me one. I have extra bolts laying around, so a bolt and a nut right through there, which hold this little extra bracket right here. This bolt goes into one of your factory front, I guess, subframe or front member, whatever you want to call it. And it just uses one of the stock front subframe bolts or front member bolts. Same on both sides. I'm pretty sure I did it, even without instructions, fairly well. All I had left over were these, which I think they wanted these. See, I think I have better light over here. You really can't see, but I think they wanted these to sit. You have two bolts to go through here. With this, with the traction bar, the heim goes through this front bolt part, and I think they wanted these to kind of sit on top, but I would have needed a spacer back here for this bolt, which either they didn't send or doesn't come with one. Regardless, it doesn't matter. This is probably just fine. This is probably not necessary. And I know I said that I was going to measure the stock torsion bar for this length, but I did realize that these obviously connect at a different point on the actual traction bar, so, or on the front bar. So I'm just gonna measure both sides and make sure they're equal, and then I'll have to do an actual alignment. All right guys, I went ahead and got the those bars adjusted to the same length and the lock nuts tightened, so it'll work for now. This is something that definitely needed to happen a long time ago to free up a whole bunch of room up front. Next, I might try to pre-fit that bigger radiator I have and get rid of this Civic half size. I mean, they do just fine, but something a little bit bigger is not gonna be bad. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Just a quick traction bar install. And yeah, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.